Let me show you how Help Me Write works. First, turn on Write mode, then open Help Me Write. Next, choose the context, like previous docs or meetings, so it knows what you're working with. Then just type your prompt. It will generate a draft right in the document. If you want to adjust something, simply highlight the text. From there, you can edit or refine that section in line without touching the rest of the document, so you can quickly shape the content while keeping everything else in place. Let's take a look at Meeting Table and how it helps organize and summarize meetings in one place. Start from the home page, create a blank doc, and use the slash menu to bring up Sync from Meetings. Choose the type of meetings you want to sync and set the date range. Once it's set up, your meetings appear in a table, automatically organized with key assets like participants, time, summaries, transcripts, recordings, agendas, and more. With everything in one place, it's easy to review and manage meeting information. You can also add an AI column to analyze meetings at scale. Customize your prompt to extract insights from each meeting, like action items, themes, or key decisions. And if you want a higher-level view of the entire table, just use AI Companion to summarize the meetings or generate a report based on the table data. So instead of digging through individual meetings, you can quickly turn meeting data into structured insights. Let's look at AI Column. AI Column lets you apply AI across an entire table, so you can process information at scale. For example, you can translate content in bulk into another language. You can also summarize each row automatically. Just customize the prompt to control the format, like the length of the summary or the structure you want. AI Column can also categorize information automatically. For instance, you could classify outcomes like win or loss, or flag different risk levels. Instead of reviewing everything one by one, AI Column helps you organize and analyze large amounts of information quickly.